Drive time traffic updates on KARK-4 today. This is your statewide newscast. Arkansas Today.
Welcome back. It's road trip season. Many are hitting the road, but post-vacation can mean a mess when you get home, especially in your car. Our friend Michael Silva-Nash from Molly Maid is here to tell us how to clean out the car because it can linger for weeks after vacation.
Exactly. Yeah, we actually battle on whose car we're taking. That way, it's not my car. My car is not going to get dirty.
Exactly.
But if you're taking the pets along, they usually leave a lot of hair. One quick tip to take care of that is actually just spray some water on the fabric, on the chairs, on the sofas of the car, and then just take a squeegee, and the squeegee will pull up all the hair and remove it from any kind of fabric inside the car.
Great tip.
Yes.
That's wonderful.
And then also, if your mats are dirty, it's simple, quick tip that you can use is just spray some kind of stain remover, and then just toss it in the washer. Let it hang dry or dry it in the dryer or whatever you'd like, and then that way all the stains are removed, all those dirty shoes, all that's gone from the car.
And then it's like new.
Yes,
that's
exactly.
the best feeling.
Exactly.
What else do we have?
Okay, well also there's some hard to reach places, okay? And most vacuums bring some kind of attachment, but if you don't have one, you can use a toilet paper piece of cardboard or the one from the paper towels.
Yes.
And you can just attach it at the very end of the vacuum and just use those because this will actually squeeze into all those tight crevices and actually just vacuum all around the car. So
it's always between the seat and then the middle console.
Exactly.
And there's so many things.
And that gets it out.
Great tip. And then you don't need the little attachment.
Exactly.
Cloudy headlights, regardless if you've been on vacation, is always a problem. This is a tip you told us years ago, and many of us here still use it.
Yes, and all you have to do is just use some toothpaste, some regular, it's just simple toothpaste, and apply it on there, and then just use a rag with elbow grease to get those foggy headlights all clean and clear.
And it really works.
Yeah, it really does work.
I'm telling you, the paste though, not the gel. The paste is what you need. What else?
Okay, so the other tip that we have is the car sometimes gets smelly. You can use charcoal. Charcoal actually soaks up the moisture in the car, and so the charcoal will actually also take the smell with it. And so just placing some underneath the seats that does it, or you can use some dryer sheets to take care of that smell as well.
Wonderful. We're almost out of time, but one more tip.
One more tip. So when you have glass, it's not getting clean. Many people don't know that glass cleaner is not actually a cleaner. It shines, and so what you usually want to use some water and soap, and then take a razor blade and just softly clean it off like that, and that will actually remove any kind of hard to remove stains straight off the car.
Wonderful tips. I had no idea.
Yes, ma'am.
My goodness, you changed the meaning of Windex for me. Michael Silva-Nash, thank you so much. Give them a call at Molly Maid. They are wonderful. And we're back with the final check of our forecast.